What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about 6 websites on how to make an app. So I'm going to share with you websites that you can personally do it yourself, and I'm also going to give you a bonus where you can go and have someone develop an app for you. Now, there's a lot of people that are going to be talking about, well, there's tons of apps and the competition is stiff and you cannot make money. How do you know if you don't try something? So don't listen to what naysayers or what people are saying. Try it for yourself. If you have a great idea and you want to make something for Android or Apple, go for it. So these 6 websites I'm going to share with you on how to make an app. And I'm also going to give you a bonus one at the end. If you're looking for a website where you guys can make money online consistently, $200, $300 on a regular basis, you could check out the first link in the description. There's going to be a challenge that you have to go through, and all you have to do is just sign up, follow instructions, and just listen, and you guys can go out and you can crush it immediately. So let's just dive into things. So the very first website on how to make an app is called AppyPie.com, AppyPie.com. So you can come on here. You don't have to know about coding and all that kind of stuff. So you can create your own app. As you can see right here, create your own app. So if you have a great idea, now is the time to jump in and get things started right away. All right? The next website I'm going to share with you is called AppsGaze. Now, this is one amongst the popular ones that you can go and make your own app. You can go and develop it, create it. You can create now for free, right? So when you come through here, you could see instructions, free and simple tool to create, download, distribute, monetize an app. So create your own app empire and make up to 6,000 monthly passive income. So this is great. So there is people out there that actually create app that you see people share and be like, download this app, and you could try them out. You could test them out. It's absolutely free forever. Right here, as you can see, no monthly charges, no fees, no paid features. So you could come through here and you could get started, right? Tired of boring everyday job that doesn't make much money? You don't even have to be IT and all that type of stuff. You could just come here. If you have a great idea, think about it. Look at Grubhub. These people just create an app that links people with food. So it is great. And if you can think of something, I'm telling you, you can make money. So start thinking, put on your thinking hat and get started. The third website I'm going to share with you is called Andromo. So Andromo probably works for Android, because I like the name too, by the way. You can create a free account as well. Come through here, you can scroll down. Yep, the #1 Android app maker. So as I said before, I'm going to give you the 6 websites that you can make an app that allows Android and also iPhone. So go through them, see how it works, sign up, create an account, and you could get started right away. So if you scroll down here, you can see the information. You could see whichever is good for you. So whichever of these websites, just check them out, look through them, thoroughly check them, and then you can get started. #4 website on how to make an app is called Drop Source. So Drop Source, ignite your digital transformation. Drop Source is an ideal solution for businesses undergoing digital transformation that need to rapidly deploy truly native and enterprise class mobile application. So yeah, just come through here, look at it and see what they have that will work for you. The next website is number 5. And this one is called Tunkable, Build Your Own Apps. So Tunkable, I like the name of it. Tunkable. All right. So blocks instead of code. Go through here, start building. So you don't have to know coding. You don't have to know all the type of stuff, because these people create websites that will allow you to start from scratch and get your app up and running in no time. You just gotta have to find the time to go through it. Number 6, MobileMobin Cube. MobileMobin Cube, create an app for free, no coding required. Again, they're making these easy. Look at all this money earned by users. So people out here are creating apps and they're just going out there and saying, so create an app, test it out, try with your family first and see how it works. And then you could just start, let everybody, if you're in high school, you're in college, at your workplace, start sharing it, getting the word out there. And I'm sure advertisers are going to want to advertise on your app and you'll be ready to go. And the bonus one is Upwork. If you don't know, if you want to hire someone, you're going to hire the best mobile app developers. If you don't want to create it yourself, you want to hire somebody, look down here. All you have to do is get a great idea, look at their profile. People are charging $125, $225, $120, $75. And the reason why these prices are a little bit up there, because these guys know exactly once an app picks off or takes off, it's unstoppable. It's like you putting gasoline on a fire. It's not going to go out. It's just going to blaze. So check out these websites, see what works for you, and just try it. You can make money just by creating apps, right? And if you want to create app for people, and if you have the knowledge and the skill sets, you could even sign up for Upwork and charge for your service as well. So that's a great way. If you want to create an app, those are the 6 websites, how to make an app. If you already know how to make it and you want to charge for your service, then boom, Upwork is the place to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you 6 websites on how to make apps. So thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time, like, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And from my regulars, happy to have you here. Thank you so much. Let's get things rocking. See you on the next one. Peace.